Welcome to Amazing 7, and today we are counting down our picks for the 7 most extreme and expensive construction sites of the world. Word extreme construction refers to the construction of extraordinary ambitious structures or projects that push the boundaries of engineering, architecture, and human capability. These constructions often break records in terms of size, height, complexity, or technological advancements. They are remarkable feats that capture the attention and awe of people worldwide due to their design and innovative approaches. Here are the 7 most extreme construction sites of the world. Number 7. The Crossrail Project, London. The Crossrail project, now known as the Elizabeth Line, is a major infrastructure project in London. It involves the construction of a new underground railway line that stretches over 73 miles, connecting various parts of the city. The project involves extensive tunneling, station construction, and the integration of existing infrastructure. The construction sites were located in densely populated urban areas, making logistics and minimizing disruption crucial. The project required meticulous planning and coordination to ensure the seamless integration of the new railway with the existing transport network. Number 6. The Burj Khalifa, Dubai. The Burj Khalifa is the tallest skyscraper in the world, standing at a staggering height of over 2,700 feet. Its construction was a true engineering marvel, considering the extreme height and challenging environmental conditions in the desert city of Dubai. The building required innovation design techniques, advanced materials, and rigorous safety measures. The construction process involved the use of specialized cranes, reinforced concrete, and cutting-edge technology to ensure stability and withstand high winds. The Burj Khalifa is now an iconic symbol of architecture and engineering excellence. Number 5. The Panama Canal Expansion, Panama. The expansion of Panama Canal was a massive engineering undertaking. Completed in 2016, the project aimed to increase the canal's capacity and accommodate larger ships. The construction involved the excavation of millions of cubic meters of earth and the creation of a new set of locks. The locks used state-of-the-art hydraulic systems to rise and lower ships as they passed through the canal. The expansion required precise planning, precise engineering calculations, and the management of environmental impacts, as it involved diverting rivers and creating new waterways. Number 4. The International Space Station, ISS. The International Space Station is a multinational collaboration and one of the most extraordinary construction sites ever undertaken. It orbits approximately 250 miles above the Earth and serves as a research laboratory and living space for astronauts from different countries. The construction of the ISS involved multiple space shuttle missions and the assembly of various modules in space. Astronauts conducted spacewalks to connect components, install solar panels, and perform maintenance tasks. The challenges included the complexities of working in microgravity and the coordination of international partners. Number 3. The Gotthard Base Tunnel, Switzerland. The Gotthard Base Tunnel is the largest railway tunnel in the world, stretching over 35 miles beneath the Swiss Alps. This construction site posed numerous challenges due to the complex geology of the mountain range. The tunnel required extensive drilling, blasting, and excavation through solid rock, as well as the installation of railway tracks and infrastructure. The project aimed to improve transportation and reduce travel times between northern and southern Europe. It involved groundbreaking tunneling techniques and cutting-edge safety measures. Number 2. The Three Gorges Dam, China. The Three Gorges Dam is the largest hydropower project in the world, located on the Yangtze River in China. This construction site is a feat of engineering on a massive scale. The dam is over 2 miles long and 600 feet tall. It required the relocation of more than 1 million people and the flooding of numerous towns and villages. The dam provides hydroelectric power, helps control flooding, and facilitates navigation along the Yangtze River. Its construction involved significant challenges, including managing the environmental impact and ensuring the structural integrity of the dam. Number 1. The Palm Jumeirah, Dubai. The Palm Jumeirah is a man-made island located off the coast of Dubai. It is one of the world's most ambitious construction projects. The island was built by reclaiming land from the Persian Gulf and shaping it into the form of palm tree. With a series of crescent-shaped fronts, the construction involved dredging sand from the sea and using it to build up the island's foundation. It required immense engineering expertise to ensure stability and prevent erosion. The Palm Jumeirah is now home to luxurious hotels, residential properties, and entertainment venues. These 7 construction sites represent remarkable achievements in engineering, pushing the boundaries of what is possible in terms of scale, complexity, and environmental challenges. They demonstrate human ingenuity, determination, and the ability to overcome formidable obstacles to create groundbreaking structures that benefit society.
Did you enjoy this video? Check out other clips of Amazing 7 and be sure to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified our latest videos.